Okay, y'all. I decided I want to try these color spray things on my hair. You see it's already done, so it might jack it up, but y'all, let's have fun with it. So let me get the spray. Okay, y'all, this is the spray that I will be using. My mom got this for me, so I've literally never used it. It's never been opened before. It says shape very well. So I thought I'd start with pink. And as y'all see, I got a towel over my clothing. Shake, 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 baby. Oh my God, y'all. They shake real well. So I shook it. And we're finna see. Oh Lord. I hope it don't mess up nothing. Okay, pink. Y'all see it? It stinks. Okay, pink. Is it going through my house? Y'all see it? Oh, yeah, it's pink, pink. Okay. Okay, pink. Yeah, this is so fun. I want pink, pink, though. Oh, it's pink, pink. Okay, yeah, that's enough. I gotta say something for Halloween. Yeah, this is very strong. And they say it transfers on your clothes. So let me tweak it a little bit. But y'all see that pink. Y'all got the instant pink effect. Then I'll let it dry and then I come back and let y'all see it. Pink girl, what we talking about? Okay, I spaced it out a little bit. Once it dries out, it might dry out, but then I'll get in a better light so y'all can see the actual color. I like it so far. It's fun and quick, and it didn't mess up my style. I am shocked. Okay, y'all, it's dry. So you can see the color a lot better in this lighting. It's a one-time wear. It will be gone by tonight. It comes on your hand easily. You see it's still on my ear, and for sure it's on my scalp. But would I do it again? Oh, for sure. For sure. And it do kind of dry out your hair. So consider it like a legit hairspray with hold to it a little bit. But it's just for fun, guys. And to test out color if you're interested in color. So that's that, y'all. Boom, boom, boom. Pasta salad, guys.